So today we're going to walk through the newly opened Camden model. What you're looking at here to the right are the offices, but typically that will be a 3-car garage here. And then as you can see on the sign, this home is 2768 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And we refer to it as a multi-gen floor plan, which means that basically has 2 owner suites, which we'll get into that here in a little bit. One thing you'll notice as soon as you come into the front door, really opens up, nice wide foyer. Also wanted to point out a few things that we don't do that we show in the model. We don't do the wood trim that you see here. And then also, because we're using this as a model, that door would typically be just a flat wall. We have the AC there for the offices. So up front, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms. Of course, we don't do the painting as the headboard there. And both of these bedrooms are right at 12 by 11. It is a Jack and Jill setup, so very convenient if you have kids. Give them some privacy, dual sinks. And then private tub shower combination. So again, these bedrooms are both 12 by 11. And again, we don't do the wood trim or that pink color that you see there. So coming back into the main living area, this is the only plan that we have that actually has a formal dining. So if you do a lot of entertaining, this home is outstanding. Very, very open. We had a realtor function here with probably 20, 25 realtors and plenty of space to mingle around. We're also featuring brand new cabinets that we've never shown before. It's called burlap. It's a nice contrast with the tile backsplash. We offer this refrigerator as an option. And then of course, looking back into the formal dining, great room area. Our covered lanai is a nice size. And as you'll notice too, these sliding glass doors will collapse into one. So if you do screen this in, which we do offer as an option, it's like adding another room. And this lanai is about 10 by 20. So very nice size. And going into the owner suite, this is considered bedroom 1. Tray ceiling, all the lights you see are gonna be standard. And this room is it's roughly 13 by, I'd say 18. And coming into the bathroom, nice garden tub, walk-in shower. And then a nice walk-in closet as well. Also going with a new 4-tile, which we're currently the only neighborhood that is showing this 12 by 24. And then up front, off of the garage will be the, again, the multi-gen space. We'll go check it out. You'll have a half bath here. Laundry. We're showing optional washer dryer. However, the sink and cabinets are all gonna be standard. This door leads into the 3-car. You have a nice little landing spot there for shoes and backpacks. And then you have a linen closet here for the half bath. So this space is totally separate. This again is the multi-gen, whether it's a parent coming to live with the kids or the kids that won't leave. I should mention this home does come with this refrigerator, just not the one in the kitchen. So this is gonna be standard. So everything you see here is included. And then this bedroom is gonna be roughly 13 by 13. It's a nice size. Also has tray ceiling. And then this will be a full bath, but because we're a model, we have to be wheelchair accessible, so we had to pull the shower out. But it will be a walk-in shower. And then a really nice size walk-in closet as well. So again, this is the Camden model in Buchanan Trails, and hope this gives you an idea of how open and bright this floor plan is and how functional it is.